Another beautiful one. We're going to be discussing the understanding of being in the vortex of creation. So, a vortex is a space of energetic movement, of an energy flowing. You can picture, if you will, a spiral, like a tornado, like a swirl of energy moving. And in that space of that energy is the vibration of that energy. It is the signature of that energy. And so that specific energy creates the energy of its being, whatever it is, whether that energetic signature that it is peace, or whether it is war, whether it is love, or whether it is hate, whether it is abundance or lack, whether it is fear or love, and whatever it is in its own experience of itself. So, whether it is a human, or whether it is a star being, or an angel, or a space, a place. And I know this is a really big concept, but just allow the space, allow the opportunity for the information to expand as you receive it. So as one is its own energetic vibrational signature. You have a signature beyond that of what you sign for your name. You have a signature of your energy. Your vibration is all your own, unique to you. Maybe on some days the vibration core spaces don't change, but maybe the outer spaces of the signature, the way you dot your I or you cross your T, may vary a bit. Meaning, the majority of the time, the core of you, the foundation of you, remains in that same space of who you are, your vibration, your core beliefs, your core perception, the way you see the world. And the way one sees the world is the way the world is for them, period. We all see it our own way, and it is not all the same. And that is because of this understanding of the vortex of creation. So as you have your foundational space of you, your energy that you are, you also have these spaces of you that are in flow. So they are changing as your inner foundation is expanding and growing and acknowledging itself in new ways. You acknowledging you in new ways. And as that happens, those spaces all shift accordingly, and you shift. And when that happens, your experiences shift because it's all connected. There is nothing happening outside of you that isn't in some way connected to something within you. So the understanding of this concept of energy, of you and your energy signature, your own vortex of energy, and the understanding of being a part of a field of energy, a whole conscious wave, field, space of energy, and you and I having individual waves within the entire field. So I have my wave of this now line of me, and I'm in this space, if you will, and then this limitless field unfolds all around me, which I in turn am. I am the entire field. I am your wave and you are my wave, and we are the field. But in our individual experiences, through the eyes of the now self, I see my wave. I feel my wave based on my perceptions, my beliefs, my thought processes. I have my experience and I expand accordingly. You are your wave in this vast field of limitless potential. And you have your experiences through your vantage point, your perceptions, your belief structures, and you have your expansion there according to you. But in essence, as your wave experiences and expands its own self, and my wave experiences and expands its own self, the entire field experiences and expands as well. We are all pieces of God healing itself. We are all pieces of God healing itself. So the understanding of this, the understanding of energy, the understanding of our beings, know thyself, the understanding of the field allows us to move into the next space of us. We are eternal. We are eternal. We are eternal. There will always be a next space. And so as you move into the next space of you, you expand. The way in which you read and perceive and discern all expands with you, as does the one, the field. Thank you. Please share the video if you liked it. When you share it, it helps my videos get to be in the view of others more, beyond just your sharing, but it does something with the algorithm and it allows my videos to come up in the feed more for others. So I appreciate that. And a thumbs up is much appreciated. If you don't already subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing. And again and again, thank you. Unending blessings upon you, Divine One. Unending.